Birds, feathered friends. Birds are found everywhere, from bustling cities to serene forests. They are warm-blooded animals that are known for their ability to fly. Let's explore some common birds that you might see around you. Types of birds. Woodpecker. Known for its distinctive drumming sound, the woodpecker uses its beak to drill holes in trees to find insects. Peacock. This colorful bird is famous for its beautiful tail feathers, which it displays in a fan-like fashion. Crow. Crows are intelligent birds that can be found in various habitats. They are known for their adaptability and problem-solving skills. House sparrow. This small, brown bird is a common sight in urban areas. It is often found in gardens and parks. Pigeon. Pigeons are domesticated birds that can be found in cities worldwide. They are known for their homing instinct. Dove. Doves are similar to pigeons but often have a more slender build and a different coloration. They are known for their gentle nature. Owl. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey with large, round eyes and silent flight. They are excellent hunters. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds known for their intelligence and ability to mimic sounds. They are often kept as pets. Duck. Ducks are aquatic birds with webbed feet. They are commonly found in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Hen. Hens are domesticated birds that are raised for their eggs and meat. They are often kept on farms. Vulture. Vultures are birds of prey that feed on carrion. They play an important role in the ecosystem by cleaning up dead animals. Eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey with sharp talons. They are known for their impressive hunting skills. Interesting facts about birds. Birds have an organ called a syrinx that allows them to produce a wide range of sounds. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and raise their young. Birds are excellent flyers, thanks to their streamlined bodies and wings. Many birds migrate to warmer climates during the winter. Have you seen any of these birds in your area? Can you think of any other interesting facts about birds? Birds, a closer look. Body parts and flight. Birds have special body parts adapted for flight. Their feathered wings help them soar through the air. Flying birds have strong, hollow bones and powerful muscles attached to their wings. Feathers, nature's insulation. Birds shed their old feathers and replace them with new ones. You can collect these feathers if you know when they shed. There are two main types of feathers. Flight feathers. These are found on the wings and tail and are used for flying. Down feathers. These are soft and fluffy and provide insulation, protecting the bird from heat and cold. Diet. A variety of tastes. Birds spend a lot of time searching for food. Most birds eat insects, but there are also plant eaters like hummingbirds and meat eaters like owls and eagles. Bird sounds, nature's music. Birds communicate through a variety of sounds, including songs, calls, and caws. These sounds help them find mates, scare away predators, and claim their territory. The nightingale is a famous songbird, while the parrot is known for its ability to mimic human speech. Interesting facts. The peacock is known for its vibrant colors, while the peahen is dull brown. Lata Mangeshkar, a famous Indian singer, is often called the Nightingale of India due to her beautiful voice. Would you like to learn more about a specific type of bird or their behavior? Analyzing the exercises. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. The most famous songbird is D. Nightingale is the correct answer. Nightingales are renowned for their beautiful singing. Mittu is a name given to B. Parrot is the correct answer. Mittu is a common name for pet parrots. Birds have D. All of these is the correct answer. Birds have feathers, hollow bones, and beaks. True or false statements. Birds are warm-blooded animals. True. Birds maintain a constant body temperature, unlike cold-blooded animals. Down feathers grow in the wings. False. Down feathers are typically found underneath the flight feathers, providing insulation. All birds can fly. Falls. While many birds can fly, some, like penguins and ostriches, are flightless. Owl is a meat-eating bird. True. Owls are carnivores and primarily feed on small animals like rodents and birds. Birds shed their feathers. True. Birds periodically shed their old feathers and replace them with new ones. Questions for your notebook. Name the parts of a bird's body. Beaks, wings, feathers, legs, feet, tail, and head are some of the main parts of a bird's body. Describe the two types of bird's feathers. Flight feathers are large, strong feathers found on the wings and tail, used for flying. Down feathers are soft, fluffy feathers found beneath the flight feathers, providing insulation. Name a plant-eating bird. Hummingbirds, parrots, and finches are examples of plant-eating birds. Give examples of meat-eating birds. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, and falcons are examples of meat-eating birds. Name the singing birds. Nightingales, canaries, mockingbirds, and orioles are known for their singing abilities.